Thank you, Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There are two things. One is offering, and another is optional that you have to know. So these are all called offerings. These are all called offerings. That is, these are all product families of Oracle. Product families of Oracle. Like financial is one product family, and marketing, order management, procurement, product management. These are all comes under product manage. Product. Sorry. Uh, these are all comes under product family of Oracle. So this is one product family where financial is one product family. So when you this is called offering in Oracle Fusion. So when I click this, in financial under this, these are all called options. These are all called options. Initial user, enterprise, legal structure, financial reporting. These are all called options. So this is called offerings. This is called offer. So those who are newly joined in 9 to 9:45 in that batch, we will be giving you a detailed explanation about what is meant by offering, product families, and all. We will be giving you. So just I'm briefing this. Okay. So now, and another concept is task. What is meant by task? So that I will show you. So if you click this, yeah, these are all called task. See, this is the one task. This is one task. So these are all called tasks. And group of tasks is called task list. Group of tasks is called task list. Okay. So this you have to remember. What is offering, what is option, and what is task and task list. So this is very important. Now next we will go to creating implementation project. Manage implementation project. Manage implementation project. So if you click manage implementation project, you can create implementation project. You can create implementation project. Yeah, this is it. This is the overview of implementation project. See, this is a instance no education training instance no. So many people would be using this. So a lot of people have created a implementation project. Okay, now we are going to create one project. Today system is very. Yeah. Now this we are going to create an implementation. Now we have to select the offerings and options. See, since we are a financial consultant, so we have to select only our offering. So financials we have to select the offering. So financial. Uh, just ma'am. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Ma'am, just 5 minutes. I will take a break. Just 5 minutes.
Yeah, no problem, sir. No problem, sir.
Yeah.
Wait.
Just 5.
Yeah, no problem. Meanwhile, Keshav sir and Yogalakshmi ma'am, are you aware about Oracle as a company? Do you have any idea as to what are they into and all that?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's a financial model to do all these transactions, financial things.
Correct. Okay, good.
So we can use for all.
Correct.
All those activities for the official for all the departments.
Okay, good, sir, good. And Yogalakshmi, what have you learnt about? You would have undergone all this Java and all these languages, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is by which company, basically?
I don't have idea, ma'am.
Yeah, the Java is basically by Oracle, right? It's an Oracle product. They're into software and programming languages as well. So basically, we are dealing with, you would have heard of e-business suite. But do you have any idea about what an ERP is? Enterprise Resource Planning? Basically what Keshav sir said, planning of our day-to-day, business activities, they basically, have come up with this solution, a systematic solution, wherein you can record everything in a proper manner. All your day-to-day business activities are recorded in a proper manner. Like Sneha or Shrikant, would you like to, now you know what an ERP is, right? Would you like to give your inputs in it? Yeah. Would you like to give your inputs to it, because these people are new to ERP? Neha, Shrikant,
Yes,
what have you
ma'am.
learned? Yeah, tell me, give me some inputs. How do you
Like
explain your
integration of
yeah,
different modules is said to be ERP.
okay,
And to have our like to do something in an ordered manner, like to optimize the resources, we need an ERP planning.
very good. Shrikant, any input from your end?
Yeah, ma'am. ERP is basic, full form is called as Enterprise Resource Planning, and it contains various fields such as HR, financial, and supply chain management. And the resource, what kind of resource we need is man, material, and mm, man, material, and
Yeah, we have
money.
projects also, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
correct, correct. Yes, yes,
These
good.
things are needed to create an ER. These are the kinds of resource we need, and the planning. Basically, every project needs some planning. So
Hmm.
we need to plan the project to perform. So
Good.
these things are comes under ERP.
Okay. And what is Oracle Fusion?
Where all together these things were
Hmm.
embedded it's in the form of embedded analysis.
Hmm.
Uh, this whole things comes under fusion, where it's completely based upon the cloud.
Okay, this is a cloud-based product, agreed. But what are the what is the main feature of Oracle Fusion? Anybody remembers of the first class that I took?
It's
What is
a
Oracle Fusion? Yeah.
service oriented platform.
Okay. No, basically, what is the best feature of Fusion? Don't you remember the first class that I had? Why did Oracle has an ERP product, right? Its own ERP product, which is e-business suite, the
Yes, ma'am.
EBS. Yeah, yeah. So why did they come up with Oracle Fusion?
Because of EBS, it contains more space, ma'am. Whereas in Fusion, we can store the data in the cloud. So we have came up.
Correct.
It's
EBS,
a new
yes.
version. It's a
Correct, correct.
new version.
Hmm. Okay, EBS is basically on premise. Okay, but you know that Oracle company, Mr. Keshav and Ms. Yogalakshmi, Oracle, over a period of say a few years, they have acquired a lot many ERPs which were there in the market. Like you would have heard of PeopleSoft, which right now TCS is using that ERP called as PeopleSoft, which Oracle has acquired. Then you would have heard of this JD Edwards, Hyperion, Primavera, NetSuite. So these are the ERPs which were there in the market, and Oracle has bought all those ERPs, right? So Fusion, why did Oracle come up with this Fusion as a product? Now, Oracle, has all these ERPs, but all these ERPs are lacking in few, areas. Like for example, PeopleSoft is famous for HRMS, but it's lacking few features in finance. Whereas e-business suite is its biggest advantage is the financials. Okay, but it is lacking in some other areas. So what Oracle decided, they actually took all the best features of the products that it bought over a period of time, including its e-business suite, and has amalgamated, okay, has taken all these best features of all these ERPs and created one product which is called as Oracle Fusion, and it's a cloud based service. All right, so you got my point, Ms. Yogalakshmi and Mr. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is a basic of what Oracle Fusion means. So Keshav sir, hello.
Is muted, ma'am. And
No, maybe okay, fine. So you're back, no, sir. Yeah, you can
yeah, I
take
will
on.
be
So
back.
this is what basically Oracle Fusion is, Yog Lakshmi, right? Hello.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think you can take over, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, madam, I muted. Just unmuted.
Uh,
Yes, madam. Yes, I
okay. So
can.
yeah, you
Yes, ma'am.
could make out what I just gave you a brief of what exactly Oracle Fusion is. Did you hear me, sir? Did you listen to me what I said?
No, ma'am. Sorry, there is some disturbance. I'm very sorry.
Okay. No problem, sir. Yeah. I think the next class, you'll be taught
Fine,
about.
madam. I'll take note of that.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Sure.
Sorry for that.
No problem, sir. Not a problem.
Now
So,
we
Setu, sir, you can continue.
Okay. No, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. So you have taken a brief introduction about the Oracle Fusion. In the
No
meantime,
problem, sir.
thank you, ma'am.
Meantime.
Thank you.
No problem, sir.
So this we have to select offering and options. Okay. So these are all options. Okay. So this is offering. What I did is financial, and this is options. Okay. So customer invoice processing, revenue management, intercompany, collections, intercompany, budgetary control, and analyticals. So we have to select whatever we are going to implement. So if anything missed out also, we can create a separate implement. We can create another implementation also. That's not an issue. So whatever we need to do setups and all, that we can do. We have to choose, select offering, okay, and options. So this we have to do. So now, okay. Okay. Now we are saving this. Now we are going to create a after selecting the offering and options, we are going to create the project. We are opening the yeah. Now see on opening this project, see you may find when you click the expand button. Expand. If you click this, it is you can expand. You can expand. See these are all 1 minute. So this when you select offering and options in previous page, you have selected offering and options. System will generate task and task list. System will generate task and task list. See, I will show you. See, these are all. This is offering and this is options. So when you click this, for example, I will tell you. Enterprise structure for financial. And financial reporting. These are all called task. These are all called task. System will generate automatically this task list. System, while you select offerings and options, system will generate task list and task. Okay. So here see, system is system generated task automatically. Okay. Now based on this, we are going to do a configuration. In this, from this, we are going to start a configuration. Suppose if you want to assign, if you are a team member and under you 4 or 5 people will be there under you, so you want to assign this task to your team member, you can assign this. You can assign by clicking assign task. Suppose if you want to assign this task, assign this task to some other user, to your team member. So you can assign the task like this. You click task. See here you have to add the user. Yeah, here this is user ID. So for example, I will be adding the user. Okay, I will be adding the user. Okay, assigning the user to that task. So now this, okay. So now I am assigning this task to the user. Now, and also I am fixing the due date. This task has to be completed. This task, the work has to be completed within this due date. So due date is 26, or if I fix the 29, save and close. Okay. So see here, I have assigned this task to your team member, Buddy, and due date I am fixing. Okay. So assigning this task to your team members, and we can then after assigning this user can edit the status whether he has started or not, in process or in progress or completed, and all. You will give a feedback to the project manager by selecting this. First, suppose if we started this work, so in progress you will put, and you will make the save and close. So this work has been assigned to this user with the due date 29. Okay. Now the status got changed. It is in progress. Earlier the status is not started. Now the status in progress. By assigning this task to multiple users, that is your team members, you can project manager can monitor the status of the project. Project manager can monitor the status of the project. So at any point of time, you can tell to your client that how much work has been completed, and what are all the pending need to be completed, and when is the go live. That and all you can tell to your client. See, sometimes what happens is client may pressurize you. I want the project to be completed within the due date. It is going late, behind the time. So you can tell them that these are all the work completed. So we need to complete collections, account payable, this offerings and all we have to complete, like that. Based on this, you can tell the client when to go for a go live. What is the date for go live? Okay. So that is very important for project tracking. And also by this project, another advantage is when you do a task, automatically configuration package will get created. It is a log file will get created. When log file get created, then automatically that log file you can transfer it to production client, from the test instance to production instance. Sorry, from test instance you can transfer it to production instance. Okay, so this is called FSM, Functional Security Manager. In the functional security manager, two advantages are there. One, you can track the project status, and number two, it creates a configuration package wherein it is easy for you to transfer the setups which you have done in form of configuration package, and you can transfer it to production client. Okay, so suppose if without creating this implementation project also, you can start doing setups configuration. But by creating this, two advantage: you can monitor the status of the project, as well as you one log file will get created wherein it is easy for you to transport the settings what you have done from test instance to production instance. That is the two advantage for this. Okay, or else if you are not created this implementation project, configuration package will not get created. You have to depend on DBA, technical resource. For technical resources, you have to depend on technical resources for transporting from test instance to production instance. Okay, so in order to avoid this, this would be helpful. So for FSM, two things are needed. Okay, so advantage of FSM is functional security manager. We can create an implementation project. Okay, by creating implementation project, we can monitor the status of the project, and number two, it creates configuration package wherein it can be transported to production client. Okay, very easily we can transfer the task to production client. Okay, now we are going to do a setup. Now we are going to, after assigning these tasks and assigning to task to your team members, now you are going to start the setup. Before starting the setup, project manager globally will edit its status. That is, you are starting the project globally. So you started the project. So in the edit status, you here not at started, no, that you make it as started. So this is the, so now your project manager will change the status in progress. From this not started, he is changing the status to in progress, and he is making save and close. Okay, so now the project got started. Okay, now after this we are going to do a setup. Each and every task we are going to do this. See, these are see whatever that task which has asterisk in the left hand corner, that is mandatory. Those which are not having asterisk are optional, whether you can do that or you can leave it. But these are all mandatory setups. Mandatory, you have to do it. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so that is one thing. Now we can start doing a so till this any doubt is there? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sorry, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir. As I'm going through it, sir.
Pardon?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, no. Yoga Lakshmi, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
You are clear, or you are having some doubts? Anything you need to get clarified? Maybe little bit.
Yes, sir. Actually, it was new to. Yeah.
Pardon?
Actually, this is my first class, right?
Yeah. Okay. I understood your. Okay. See, once we start this introductory about this Oracle Fusion and all the concepts and all, we will, then it would be very easy for you. Okay. So
that's what, sir.
that will take you. Because since I have
Correct, sir.
taken
We
this
don't know
class, whether are you
Without
able
Sorry
to?
for
introduction,
that.
it was still confusing.
Hello, tell me. Hello, hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir.
Hello.
Nothing, sir. You carry on, sir. You carry on, sir. I lost you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So now, Sneha, Srikant. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sneha, Srikant.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, till I think till what had you taken the class for them, sir? Yesterday
Till this
evening.
FSM that implementation.
No.
uh,
Okay.
uh,
No. For them, for the yesterday's class, had you finished the segment labels and all that?
No, till value set and segment label. Yeah. Till segment label only we have done.
Okay. Okay, sir. Anyways, this is a new
New thing since these
new
people
thing,
joined,
yeah.
no, that's why I taken. Or else I would have gone straight to.
Not a problem, sir. It's okay. Just hardly takes any time. That's
Yeah,
okay.
but it's now 4 minutes.
It's okay, sir. We can, I think, continue the class tomorrow. Not a
Tomorrow.
problem.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yes, sir. We'll start with chart of accounts tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we'll finish till primary ledger.
Okay.
I think we could be able to finish that in tomorrow's
But
class.
tomorrow we have to, anyway, we have to complete this, ma'am. Because at least till primary ledger we have to complete it.
Yeah, we will be able to, sir. I think 1.5 hours should be enough for it.
But the system has to support. That's why sometimes system is very slow. Instance is very slow.
Sir, we'll do one thing. Even in case if it, you're left out with something in tomorrow's class, what you can do is you can start with that, finish it. Then I'll start with budgetary and encumbrance.
Okay.
We'll do that way. Not a problem. Okay, because I'll take only budgetary and encumbrance tomorrow. That is day after tomorrow.
Okay.
And then on say tomorrow is Tuesday, right? Wednesday I'll be taking budgetary and encumbrance, and then Thursday I'll take journals.
Okay.
So we'll be able to finish that theory part, and then again on Friday we can finish with the whole of GL and start with AP on Monday.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
So
we'll
now
way,
the 3 minutes is there. Let's just I will refresh people who have attended earlier classes. Sneha, Srikant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See what is the prerequisite for creating GL ledger? Prerequisite for creating a ledger.
4 C's.
4C. What is that 4C?
Chart of accounts.
Calendar,
currency, accounting conventions.
Okay. What is the
Shankar sir also needs to participate.
Yes, ma'am. I'm also that.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Chart of accounts. What is meant by chart of accounts?
Chart of accounts consists of segments and labels. Segments and values.
Is the way the definition is what is meant by chart of accounts? Sneha, ma'am.
Like a list of accounts in a structured way, sir.
Very good. Excellent. List of accounts? Can you
in a structured way.
Very good.
List of accounts in a structured way.
List of accounts in a structured way. Okay. Then chart of accounts contains what? Can you tell me that it comprises of what? It comprises of?
Segments
what?
and segments.
Segments and value.
Segment value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that you will be you are all aware of that. Okay. Now, what is the procedure to create to define chart of accounts? First, what we need to define. First step, what we will do?
Define
We need
common
to
application.
create.
No. In chart of accounts, I am telling. In chart of accounts, what we will do? First
We need
step.
to give the restrictions for the company department.
What restriction?
No, sir. We need to define the value data set.
We have to define the value set. We have to define
Yes, the value set.
define the rules for the okay. Right. Next, we have to create a structure. Okay, create
Yes,
a
sir.
structure. Okay, it is hardly 1 minute. Okay, anyhow, we will be winding this class. Tomorrow we will be we will be continuing with it. Okay. So, Mr. Kesav and Yoga Lakshmi, you have to join another class. Okay. Oracle based class. Okay. Okay. See you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
everyone.
thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes,
Sir.
thank you. Yeah,
Thank you, Sankar sir.
Keshav.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Good night, everyone. Yeah.
Good night.